Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay A Cricket Match. Last Sunday, a cricket match was played between Islamia School and our school. The match was played in the playground of our school. It was very interesting match. Mr. Asad and Mr. Ali were the umpires. The match started at 9 a.m. Our captain won the toss. He decided to bat first. The opening batsman played well. They made 107 runs. The first player was caught out in 20th over. Our players were out after scoring 213 runs. Islamia School did not start well. 3 wickets fell for 36 runs. We were happy. We were hopeful of our victory. But due to 6 wicket partnership, their score reached 180 runs. We were quite tense. Then our captain brought a spin bowler. The one after another, Islamia School lost all their wickets. They could score only 210 runs. So, we won the exciting match by 3 runs. If you like this video, press the like button. Allah Hafiz.